Hello there, welcome to Global Food Book Channel. Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome, but please don't make it your last, okay? And for my returning subscribers, oh my goodness, I love you so much. Thank you so much for all your support, and I hope to see you often here, okay? I know you probably know how to roast peanuts, but in today's video, I'm sharing a roasted peanut recipe with a twist. Yes, I'm happy to share my mom's special roasted granules or peanuts recipe with you. This is a recipe you cannot afford to miss out on. If you're a business person dealing in roasted peanuts, I wholeheartedly support your business by releasing this special recipe to you. And to repay me back for sharing the tips in this video with you, just simply grab the recipe and off you go. Just run with it, okay? Yes, do, and please don't look back. Trust me, you'll be glad you did, as anyone that tastes your roasted peanuts moving forward will keep asking for more. If you're a business person, the more roasted peanuts, the more money you make, okay? So just do it. If you're not a business person, on the other hand, adopting this recipe will trigger your taste buds to keep asking for more peanuts. Okay? Let's now dive into the tips and hacks for getting, the perfect, irresistible, tantalizing, delicious roasted peanuts, okay? First thing first, make sure you thoroughly salt your peanuts to get rid of particles, stones, or whatever. And while at it, boil hot water. And once you're done with cleaning the peanuts, pour the hot water over the peanuts and let it soak for 2 to 3 minutes. Before transferring the peanuts into a sieve. To get those peanuts really tasty, you definitely need to add some salt. Yeah, it's very important. So add a bit of salt, then toss the peanuts thoroughly so that the salt can incorporate well into the peanuts. Now the next step is to pour the peanuts on a flat surface, preferably a flat netted tray. Let the peanuts dry first to soak up the salt. Hang on, let me just reiterate this part again because it's very important, okay? Please let the peanuts dry up first to assimilate the salt very well. Preferably get it dried under the sun first, but in the absence of sunlight, just leave it to dry indoors, okay? This tip is specifically important for getting that crunchiness you so desire. Yes, you heard me right. So now that the peanuts are dried enough, the next step is to place it in an oven to roast. I use the bake feature on my oven set at 175 degrees. I kept turning the peanuts intermittently to avoid getting burnt. And I roasted the peanuts for approximately 2 hours until, they were thoroughly done. Of course, you can see that at this point, the peanut is slightly golden in color. Just break out the peanuts from the oven to cool down. And once the peanuts have cooled down, you can then go ahead to peel the skin. Can you see that uniform golden color? Yes, not even a single peanut got burnt. Can you feel it from your end? I mean, the crunchiness is just over the roof. The taste is second to none. Trust me, the taste of this peanut is second to none. Just a trial will convince you. But please don't take my word for it. Just try out this recipe and share your experience with us in the comment section. Once you're done with peeling the skin, go ahead and bottle it up. It's always advisable to store roasted peanuts in an airtight container because exposing them to air over time makes them soggy, thereby losing its crunchiness. Okay. Like I previously mentioned, all the kudos go to my dearest mom for imparting the knowledge of me. So grab this recipe, run with it, and enjoy your own share of this goodness. Thank you so much for sticking around while I roasted my peanuts. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. Yeah, share it. Share it, please. Just share it with everyone around you. Everyone needs to learn the tips of roasting the perfect peanuts shared in this video. So share it, please. Thank you so much and see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified once I release a new video. Bye for now.